Your entryway sets the tone for your home. In 2025, entryway decor trends focus on a perfect balance of functionality, style, and creating a lasting first impression. In today's video, we'll dive into the latest entryway decorating ideas that will transform your space into a warm, welcoming, and stylish foyer. Whether you're looking for practical storage solutions, bold design choices, or simple elegance, we've got you covered. Let's get started and bring your entryway to life. The entryway is the first and last space you and your guest experience. It should be both practical and visually appealing. A thoughtfully designed entryway does more than just welcome you home. It can maximize storage, enhance functionality, and set the mood for the rest of your space. Whether through stylish furniture, clever organization, or thoughtful decor, your entryway should reflect the personality of your home while creating a warm, inviting atmosphere. Less is more. In 2025, the trend is all about clean lines, neutral tones, and keeping your entryway clutter-free. A minimalist approach focuses on simplicity and functionality, creating a serene, organized space. Choose sleek furniture with hidden storage to maintain a modern and tidy look. This design style not only enhances the beauty of your entryway, but also ensures that every piece serves a practical purpose. Embrace minimalism for a timeless, stress-free entry that sets the perfect tone for your home. Give your entryway personality with eye-catching wall art, murals, or a bold accent wall. In 2025, statement pieces are taking center stage, transforming your space with unique and vibrant designs. Deep greens, warm terracottas, and soft blues are the go-to shades this year, adding depth and warmth to your foyer. Whether you choose a striking piece of art or a playful mural, these bold colors and designs will create an unforgettable first impression, making your entryway not just a passage, but a statement of style and character. Eco-friendly decor is a top trend in 2025. Embrace sustainable design by incorporating reclaimed wood, bamboo furniture, or rattan accents into your entryway. These materials not only bring a warm and earthy ambience to your space, but also promote environmental responsibility. The natural textures and tones help create a calming, organic feel, making your entryway a welcoming and eco-conscious space. A stylish bench with built-in storage is the perfect addition to any entryway, offering both functionality and flair. Not only does it provide a comfortable spot to sit while putting on shoes, but it also helps keep shoes, bags, and everyday essentials neatly tucked away. With its sleek design, the multifunctional bench adds both charm and practicality to your space, ensuring your entryway stays organized while enhancing the overall aesthetic. It's the perfect blend of style and convenience for a modern, clutter-free foyer. Large mirrors are a game changer for your entryway, instantly reflecting light and creating the illusion of a more spacious area. They're perfect for making small entryways feel larger and brighter. Opt for oversized framed mirrors to add elegance, or choose geometric shapes for a trendy, modern touch. Mirrors not only enhance the size of your space, but also serve as a stylish focal point, elevating the overall vibe of your foyer while making a bold, welcoming statement. Console tables are a perfect blend of style and practicality for your entryway. With drawers or open shelving, They offer a convenient place to organize keys, mail, and other essentials while keeping your space tidy. To add a touch of elegance, pair the table with decorative vases, books, or sculptural pieces that reflect your personal style. This combination of functionality and chic design not only keeps your entryway organized, but also enhances its overall aesthetic, making it both beautiful and efficient. Adding greenery instantly brightens up your entryway and brings a refreshing, natural vibe to your space. Low-maintenance plants like snake plants, pothos, or fiddle leaf figs are perfect choices, offering lush beauty without the hassle. These plants not only purify the air, but also create a welcoming, calming atmosphere. Whether placed in stylish pots or hanging planters, a touch of greenery will breathe life into your entryway, making it feel fresh, inviting, and full of energy. Lighting is key to setting the right mood in your entryway. Wall sconces, pendant lights, or stylish table lamps not only brighten the space, but also enhance the ambience and highlight your decor. Choose fixtures that complement your style while providing the right amount of light to create a welcoming atmosphere. With the perfect lighting, your entryway will feel both functional and chic, making a lasting impression as soon as you walk in. Make your entryway truly yours with personal touches that reflect your unique style and story. Framed family photos, meaningful artwork, or travel souvenirs can transform the space into a welcoming expression of who you are. These thoughtful details not only make the entryway feel more inviting, but also create a connection to your memories and experiences. By adding pieces that resonate with you, your entryway becomes a space that feels as personal as it is stylish. A pattern or textured rug is a perfect way to add warmth and character to your entryway. Not only does it create a cozy, inviting feel, but it also helps define the space, making your foyer feel more cohesive. Plus, it keeps dirt and debris at bay, protecting your floors while adding a stylish touch. Whether you choose bold patterns or soft textures, a rug is both a functional and aesthetic addition to your entryway, setting the tone for the rest of your home. Declutter regularly to maintain a clean and inviting space. Keeping your entryway organized ensures it remains a welcoming first impression for both you and your guest. By staying on top of clutter, you create a calm, orderly environment that reflects your style and keeps things functional. A tidy entryway not only looks better, but also makes it easier to find essentials like keys and bags, making your home feel more effortless and inviting from the moment you step inside. Use baskets and organizers to keep everyday essentials tidy and easily accessible in your entryway. Whether it's for storing shoes, mail, or hats, these simple storage solutions help reduce clutter while keeping things within reach. Choose stylish baskets or chic organizers that complement your decor to add both function and flair. Mixing textures and materials adds depth and interest to your entryway, creating a dynamic and inviting space. Combining elements like wood, metal, and fabric brings richness and character, making the design feel more layered and stylish. Incorporate a signature scent with candles or diffusers to add a personal touch and create a welcoming atmosphere in your entryway. The right fragrance can make your space feel warm, inviting, and truly homey from the moment you step inside. Your entryway is the first impression of your home make account. Which idea are you most excited to try in 2025? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest home decor trends.
Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.